Hi, I'm Kat, and welcome to today's episode of Kat's Cooking Corner. Today we are making Italian pockets. Okay, today we are making Italian pockets. For this you will need a tortilla shell of some sort, ham, hard salami, pepperoni, provolone cheese, Italian dressing, and whatever veggies you would like to include. The first thing you want to do is put your tortilla on a microwave safe plate. I'm just using a paper plate. Then you will take 2 slices of ham. Okay, so you'll put your ham in the middle of your tortilla. Then we're going to take 4 slices of the salami. Spread them evenly down the center of the ham. And then 3 pepperonis. Pepperonis are much more pungent in flavor, so less of those. And finally, we are going to add 2 slices of provolone cheese to the top. Now we are going to microwave this for 30 seconds. Okay, once you take it out of the microwave, you can add any veggies you would like. This one's for my husband, so there is no veggies included. And then put your Italian dressing, just a little bit.
Okay.
And now we're just going to simply fold it up. Fold in the sides, kind of, press them down so that they're nice and sharp. Wrap it up. And you have an Italian envelope. Thank you for watching today's episode of Kat's Cooking Corner. If you'd like to see more recipes, please subscribe.